Hi guys.
Hi guys.
This is Jackie and Veronica Show. Subscribe on our YouTube channel.
VJ Show.
Yes. Vagina.
Vagina Show. Oh, we can't show them our goodies today. So we're testing. No. So we're pretending to do work.
No. What's that?
I'm already looking through the years. Yeah, it's gonna be like 360 pictures of us.
That's cute.
Because we take a lot of pictures, you know, and it's like our selfie book, like you know how Kim Kardashian has her selfie book.
I don't even take pictures.
You don't take pictures with me?
We rarely take pictures.
That'd be ugly.
Go break the camera.
No, girl.
It's not on this.
Okay, so we're gonna be trying snacks from school vending machines. Okay, here's the goodies.
Hold up. Make sure they can really see it. The glare is kind of bad. Okay, we're good, Jackie. I like how you show that.
Can you see it? Oh, are you done this week? Okay, so that's that. And this drink to wash it down.
We lose a lot of fluids, right?
So first thing we're gonna try, which one do you want to try?
I like that.
So we're gonna try these first. And just first thoughts, you know? As you can see, there's nothing on it really.
Test it out.
Yeah, so
I like that.
we're gonna try it now.
Hold up.
I really like these.
Yeah. Real good.
These are good.
I could eat these.
No, nigga, fuck, you can't breathe, nigga. That's like your second part where you breathe at, my guy. You just like can't breathe at that bitch. Can I get a piece of cookie though?
Say hi.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
You're gonna be on YouTube.
I already have YouTube.
Come here, say hi to the fans. Julie and McLean, let's go.
Oh, I'm surprised she knows my last name. What the fuck? How do you know my last name? Smith, Mrs. Smith, Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
I really like these.
Show them the other one.
Y'all really like high. Like, are you guys high?
No.
So next we're gonna try these. And
You guys are high.
no color.
You guys
Put your
are
hand.
high.
It blends in like literally like. Oh!
Oh,
No!
This one.
what the fuck are y'all? Anthony, do you see this?
This is real good.
They ever act like they got a motherfucking YouTube channel. You see? They like, what the fuck? Next, we're gonna try these. Like saying no motherfucking YouTube channel and shit. What the fuck? They over here high, bro. They higher than a kite, boy. They higher than Cloud9, nigga. What the fuck?
I don't like these.
They're not spicy.
Yes, they are.
Why do they make them look red? They're not red.
Yeah, y'all some shit, man.
Ugh.
And orange.
Y'all some shit.
Expectation.
No. I really like it.
How about these together?
Ooh.
I like that.
No, real good.
Yeah. This one's actually really red. Yeah.
My eyeliner. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's try the cookie.
So last we're gonna try this cookie. It's our taste test. If you're not in the video, you can't taste test it with us. Oh my freaking cookie! Nasty hands.
Why is it so dusty?
Alright, so I broke it into pieces.
Julia, you want to join the video?
Just join the video.
Just join the video and we'll give you.
It's free food.
That dude said he gonna come on paralyzed from the hotel.
Y'all can join my channel. I already have fucking 500K. You feel me?
What do you do?
Reactions, gaming videos, vlogs.
What's your YouTube?
All of them score one hit.
No.
I don't like it. I like it.
You like the cookie?
It's like
Your turn.
no. It's like someone like put dust together. Dust. And then mix it with milk, sugar,
Try the chocolate.
eggs, chocolate chips,
How about we mix this with this?
and then baked it.
Oh, hell no. She gonna be like,
We have a person who raps. A rapper, SoundCloud, and we have YouTubers, which are us.
If you don't know who we are, we're SoundCloud artists, and we produced a lot of songs.
She already has 13 songs made. Her album is called, you already know who it is. Real good. Dope.
And the songs are like very lit. Like it's like you already know who it is, you know?
Yeah. So, sing to them the magnet one.
You have to do it. Magnet. Magnet. Magnet.
We have a guest now.
Karina,
they want you to get in there.
say hi to our fans.
Their video.
It's for you too.
Oh my
Get in their video, their channel.
So nobody wants to get into our video because we're so famous. So it's okay. We'll link them below.
Follow them on Instagram.
You know,
What?
we have so many haters.
Y'all can subscribe to mine though. Y'all can subscribe
We have
to
so
mine,
many
though.
haters.
Why is it
Everybody hating
have
on
a
us.
guest. We have
Everybody
a
hating
guest.
on us, and I can't take it because
We have a guest.
we have a guest. Come on, Gabby. Stop promoting us. everybody's a hater. Like,
Because we have too many followers.
Sit the fuck back down.
that boy's a hater.
I'm motherfucking run, motherfucker.
So that was our taste test. Yeah, you try first, because I've been drinking it.
I'm gonna go home.
And I already got my schedule. Right now, I've been playing games. Yeah. And my two photo class pictures. And then the one you got playing.
Real good.
You like it?
It's salty.
It is salty.
Right?
It's Gatorade. But like... Oh, excuse me.
With less sugar.
Yeah. It's a 0.
Her videos are disgusting.
We should make videos, bro. Which channel move? I'll edit them. And we need to have a vlog about prom.
Ooh,
Like getting ready. And then prom. Like,
I like them.
So yeah. What's our outfit? Thanks for watching our video.
Thank you guys.
Make
Love the
You should say. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Thank you. Don't
And
mean a
comment down below.
lot. Nice things. Bye guys.